The Black Bird of Chernobyl. Early April in 1986 saw the arrival of a mysterious black bird with a 20-foot wingspan in the skies over the Chernobyl nuclear plant in the Soviet Union. An animal without a head, yet somehow with two piercing red eyes shining through the blackness of the night. Those who saw it claim that afterwards they received threatening, anonymous phone calls and were inflicted with horrific nightmares. Sightings of this creature became a regular occurrence until the morning of April the 26th, when reactor number 4 at the nuclear plant exploded, killing 31 people. The resulting radiation, however, killed many more. A lethal black plume of radioactive fallout blanketed acre after acre of the land surrounding the site. Workers not killed in the initial explosion, who died later of radiation poisoning, described how they watched the huge black bird gliding and swooping through the swirling black plumes of irradiated smoke pouring from the reactor. Superstitious people believe that these creatures are omens of death and destruction. The closest creature to resemble the blackbird is the Mothman of West Virginia, sighted and photographed at the top of the Silver Bridge in Point Pleasant before its collapse in 1967. No further sightings of the large black bird were reported after the Chernobyl disaster, leaving researchers to speculate what exactly did haunt the workers of the plant in the days leading up to and on the day of the disaster.